MikroTik router. Okay, so first we need to go to the MikroTik website. First need to the actual website. Go to the Google and type it MikroTik. MikroTik, the first URL, you just click on the first URL. Then go to the user. Click on user. Then you find the username and password, like username and password. Hopefully you need to register the yourself with this portal. I have already registered, so I'm just logging here. Successfully. Now go to our MikroTik router. So I'm just go to the bin box. Go to the bin box. This is our router. So I'm go to the my router and connect. So this is our router. So now for registering the license key, we need to go to the tool or system. No, not we are going to the system. Then go to the license. Then renew license. Click on the renew license. Then account number, the same account we can edit here, which I am logging on the MikroTik portal. Then start. Done. It's showing done. It means the license is connected. Now close and click OK. So now go to the setting and check the licensing things. So we receive the next renewal license March 15 to April 15. That we get receive the 1 month license for the trial periods. Okay. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like if you want to know more videos for this like this. So please subscribe our channel and thank you so much.